Alright, this problem what we want to do is start with the force diagram of A. So we have AB off in that direction. We have AC off in this direction, and then down we have our weight, which is 5,000. Need to put in our slope values. And then now we'll write our equations. In the x direction we have ABX, and it points to the left. We have ACX, and it points to the right. And since this is a statics problem, they add up to 0. In the y dimension, we have ABY, and that points up. We have ACY, and that points up. And we have 5,000 pounds, and that points down. And those also add up to 0. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the components that I just have there, the AB and the AC. So I have ABX, ABY. Always the magnitude. And now since I'm given the slope, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the components using the slope. So I have a 5, 12 triangle. And so this side will be the square root of 12 squared plus 5 squared. And that gives us just a second here. Alright, that gives us 13. That means 13 is my whole, so out of 13 the x is 12, and out of 13 the y is a 5. For AC, again it's the magnitude, and I'll need to use the triangle again. So now I'll have the square root of 12 squared plus 9.5 squared, and that is 15.31. So for the AC components, out of 15.31, the y component is 9.5, and the x component is 12. Alright, now that I have the two components for each of those forces, I'm ready to substitute into my equations. Using my x equation, I have the opposite of ABX, which is 12/13 AB, plus ACX, which is 12 out of 15.31. That adds up to 0. For the y component, I have ABY, so I have 5/13 AB, plus the AC component, which is 9.5 out of 15.31. And I have the negative 5,000. That adds up to 0. Now to put this in the calculator, we want an AB column, an AC column, and a constant. Now you're going to have the formula, we're going to add these up, and they have to equal the constant. So bringing my x equation down, under AB I have 12/13 negative. Under AC I have 12/15.31, and a constant I have 0. For my y equation I have 5/13, 9.5 out of the 15.31. And notice I have 5,000 on this side, but I need it on the other side of the equal sign, so I have positive 5,000. Now I'm ready to put this in the calculator. Let's find my calculator. There we go. So I'll turn the calculator on, go to my applications menu, and now at my data matrix editor, I'm going to open a new, so 3. I don't want data, I want matrix. Variable name, I'm going to pick AAA. I have 2 rows and I have 3 columns. And then now I'm ready to put in my numbers. So if I flip back over here, I have negative 12/13. So I have negative 12 over 13. 12 over 15.31. Zero. Now on the bottom I have 5/13. $9.5 out of 15.31 and 5,000. Alright, I have all of those in the calculator, so now I'm going to choose the diamond and the home. And I'm going to clear out my menu here. You don't have to do this part each time, this will just clear it out. And now I'm going to type in RREF, parenthesis, and then the name AAA, because that's what I called the matrix. And then now it gives me my answers. So let me translate the answers. So I have, back to here, calculator output. Oops, this is AC. Calculator gives me 1001, and then those numbers 496.8 or 496.98. It's 4896.8. Well, 4698.8. 98.8, and then now 5,000 something. 5533. Point, was that 7873? So that tells me then my answer, AB, is 4698.8, and then we're in pounds. And then AC, 5533.73. And that takes care of this problem.